What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Clothing Store Simulator on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we are going to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website. After that we need to search up the game Clothing Store Simulator. Now once you have found it, select it, and if you scroll a little bit down, then you will find out that there is a free demo available, but we would like to download this full game. And the price on Steam is currently, with the temporary offer, €8.31. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. And then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now the next step is to basically search for the game Clothing Store Simulator. After that, search for it, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green and you can select it. And as you can see, we can already download this game for just €6.57 compared to the price on Steam of €8.31. And this is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading games legitimately online. Now you can purchase this game through this website, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam, so you can download this game on Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!